Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Do this to get a smaller waist and achieve beautiful shape with flat tummy in just few days. Cucumber promotes detoxification, supports the body in flushing out excess water and waste, and also reduce abdominal fats. Apple is low in calories, high in nutrients, contains lots of vitamins C, B complex, and minerals. You get fullness without high calorie intake, controls hunger and keeps you full longer, preventing overeating, regulates blood sugar, fewer cravings and less fat storage around the belly. Ginger improves digestion, stimulates digestive enzymes, speeds up food breakdown, and reduces bloating, giving the stomach a flatter appearance. Helps regulate insulin levels, preventing spikes that lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. Transfer all into the blender. Add water and blend well. Sieve. Add 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds, controls appetite and cravings, making you feel satisfied with fewer calories. Reduces snacking and calories intake, key for belly fat loss. When you put cucumber, ginger, apple, and soaked chia seeds together, you get a natural belly fat loss. Each ingredient plays a role, especially helps reduces fat in your waistline, and together they support digestion, appetite control, metabolism, and bloating reduction. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach and get results in few days.